Okay, I know most people do home tours, but I'm doing a stuff tour. We're going to walk through my house and see all of the things that I have collected over the years. Oh, yay, it's Christmas time, so it will look pretty. But this is a dresser that has stuff in it. Most of my stuff I think would be on the bottom drawer. Lots of it's Johnny's stuff. This is a dresser that I used when I had an eBay store. So there's stuff in there that was for sale that I need to get to my friend Tina D. Now, if you come to the right, I live in a mansion because we moved here with Colorado money when the Florida market wasn't as big. This is our bedroom, so that's my chair area with stuff. This is the horrible, like 1980s area, which is really good except for that stuff. I have stuff on my dresser. I painted this when we moved in. That's Maxie. And then here is a plethora of stuff. That's from when we moved what happened? Oh, we painted the bedroom. And I put all my stuff in boxes. And I haven't gotten it out yet. Lots of stuff in there. Okay. This is a funny thing about my stuff. Sometimes I just abandon it. So here is two bookshelves that have stuff that I abandoned when I moved to my craft room, along with this desk and this white dresser. So I have lots of stuff in there. That's my Christmas decorations. No judging. We're not judging here. All right, so then you come over here. I have a little stuff over here, not too much. This is our living room, and I don't have a ton of stuff. Look how pretty my Christmas decorations. I'm in the middle of decorating, but I have this bookshelf that has stuff, and overhead there's stuff. That is all things mostly that will go. What's happening is that I have about 4 years, thank the sweet baby Jesus, to clear out my house of all my stuff before we move to a smaller place. So this is the typical thing you think of, like old glassware, old dishes, stuff from my grandma, and then stuff down, all the dishes. So that's stuff, and then this is a room full of my stuff, but this is all art supplies. So I don't feel bad about this stuff because I use this stuff all the time. But big closet, cool dresser. I love this bookshelf. 2 bookshelves and my wall calyxes. I love them too. Oh, hold on. We gotta go back. So, oops, I just ran into my Christmas decorations. So we have to go back to the garage. And I have 2 bunches of stuff here, kind of old eBay stuff. That's my husband's workbench. But I have 2 more sort of things that I have stuff in. Now, if you're thinking about how am I going to get rid of all this stuff, and I should sell it on Facebook. So it is impossible for me to sell anything on Facebook because we live in a gated community and nobody could ever get back in there. And I have sold on eBay and Etsy, and it's a lot of work for a very little money. So the 2 things I might do is I may have an estate sale where somebody comes in and sells all your stuff, or donate it. So here is another little area I have abandoned that has my stuff in it. I was up here at one time, and so I have stuff there. I have stuff here. Cool stuff. All my stuff is very cool. And last but, this is Johnny's area. Anywhere that is excessively neat is Johnny's area. And anywhere that isn't neat is my area. So this is some of my decorations, some baby stuff that Brittany, my big girl, has stored here. And then it just keeps going. So all kinds of stuff we're going to have to get rid of. So that is my stuffy home tour. Tara Jacobsen, Artsy Fartsy Life.